What up, what up, what up, y'all? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. So in this video, I am going to give you the step-by-step, 8 steps in setting up your business. So whether you're a YouTuber, a marketer, lawn care, daycare, whatever position you have, you need to set up your paper according to Secretary of State and the IRS and so forth. So those are the steps I am going to go through, okay? I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe because I am trying to get monetized. That's being transparent with y'all. I'm trying to be monetized. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And since people don't know what to say on the comments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a riddle and I need y'all to answer the riddle down low. The riddle is, what has to be broken before it can be used? What has to be broken before it can be used? Please comment down below. I want to see what this algorithm does. But all right, y'all, we're gonna get into this video, but listen to this intro right about now.
If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss.
All right, y'all, we back. I'm gonna give y'all the first one before I jump into my computer. I'm actually give y'all the first one. The first one is mindset, y'all. The first step is make sure your mindset is correct. And I'm not gonna hawk on this subject. I'm not finna go long on this subject. I just know y'all need to know there's no quick scheme when starting a business. You can make money overnight. That's a fact. But you have to learn. When these people saying they're making 1,000 overnight or 3,000 overnight or 1 million overnight, it's the fact that they actually sat down and they learned their craft of what they was trying to do. Okay, know that you have to learn. Know that the reason why I named my business Easy Silent Hustle, because I believe you have to learn in silence and hustle out loud. That's the reason why I call Easy Silent Hustle, because you're learning in silence but you're hustling out loud. So once you get the process down pat, then you will hustle out loud. All right, number 2, y'all. Number 2, before we get in our computer, number 2 is to know what type of business you want. Do you want to be a YouTuber? Do you want a lawn care service? Do you want a daycare, to own a daycare? What type of business you want? That's number 2. Know what type of business you want after you fix your mindset on step number 1. Step number 3, I'm going real fast because I want to get to the point of this video, which is setting up everything legally in the computer. Your business name, you want to make sure that it is the same. You will set up your business name as your domain name, okay? For example, my business name is Easy Silent Hustle. My business domain name is easysilenthustle.com. That's where people go and check out the services and so forth. So we got Easy Silent Hustle Corporation as the business name, and then we have easysilenthustle.com as the domain. So we kind of make that same. I'm not going to go into the domain part on this video. I can make that as a later video. But after you do step 1, fix your mindset. Step 2, know what type of business you want to do. Step 3, your business name and your business domain. That's your step 3. Step 4, we're about to jump into the computer so we can go ahead and go to Secretary of State. So let's jump into the computer now. All right, step 4. Step 4 is going to the Secretary of State and registering your business name. This is what you want to make sure that you do your business name first before getting your EIN number, because you want to make sure your business name is not taken. So I'm doing the steps when it comes to Georgia Secretary of State, but I am pretty sure 98% sure that most of the websites are similar, and you will have to follow this process as well. Okay, so when you go to sos.ga.gov for Georgia, the Secretary of State website for Georgia, you're going to click on corporation. Once you click on corporation, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click file online. Okay, you're going to click on corporation, then you're going to click on file online. When you click on file online, you're going to click right here where it says online services. Okay, once you click on online services, you want to make sure that the eCourt system is only open in one browser. So hit OK. Once you hit OK, go ahead and click create user account. If not, go ahead and log in. Once you hit create user account, go ahead and just put all your information in. I'm not going to do it right now in this process, but just go ahead and put all your information in and set up a username and password. Okay. But I'm just going to go ahead and log in. All right, and once you set up all your information, you should come up on this screen right here. All right, once you come here, what you want to click on is create or register a business. So click on create or register a business. Once you click on it, you go ahead and click on I am creating a new domestic business. Okay, and then select the business type. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to choose domestic limited liability company. Okay, for the sake of this video. All right, once you click on domestic, if you don't have a name reserved, go ahead and click it at no. If you do have a name reserved, go ahead and click yes. But Of course, we don't have a name reserved, so go ahead and put your business name. We're going to put your business name, whatever it is. And then you're going to choose one of these down here at the bottom where it says LLC, comma, LLC, period, comma. You have to choose one of these on this line. I'm going to go ahead and choose LLC, comma. So we're going to hit your business name, LLC, comma. Okay? Right here, if your business name is taken, then you're going to type in your second preference on your business name. Most of the time it's not taken, but just go ahead and put your second choice, whatever the name is, second choice. And you're going to do the same thing, LLC behind it. Second choice, that's your whatever your business name is, and LLC, comma. So make sure you put that behind the business name, okay? Right here, if you have a name that needs approving because it's similar to somebody else, these are different type of business. You won't need this for the most part. You don't need this section right here. But when you come right here to the NAICS code, you want to go ahead and select the code for your business. I am going, for the sake of this video, I'm going to do arts and entertainment. And once you click on arts and entertainment, you have the second sub code to put down, NAICS sub code. Go ahead and click your second one sub code, and let's just go with independent artists, writers, and performers. Okay, so all right, and when you come down here to principal office address, go ahead and put your address in for your business, and then hit continue. Okay. All right. Once you put in your information, go ahead and hit continue. And when you hit continue, you're going to put in your business email address right here. And then you're going to do a registered agent. Go ahead and hit registered agent. Put your name. If you don't have a registered agent, then you are your registered agent. Go ahead and put your information in here. Once you do that, it's going to ask for your organizer information. If you don't have an organizer information person, go ahead and put your name right there. Okay. Once you scroll down and then hit add. Once you put it in, hit add. Okay. Once you scroll down, if you have any provisional, again, you pretty much don't need this section, but if you had any information that you want them to check as far as your business name, you would put it right there. Okay. This letting you know that your document or your business will show register as of this date that is put right here, and go ahead and put your signature in. All right, once you put your signature in, go ahead and hit continue. And this is where you'll review all your information that you put in, and then go ahead and hit submit and pay for the business. Okay. All right, and that's how you set up the Secretary of State. Please remember that every year when you log in, you need to go right here to file annually for your registration. You have to pay yearly. Even though you paid $100 one time, you have to pay yearly $75. I'm not for sure what the price is for each state, but in Georgia, it's $75 every year to keep your business current. So please do this by April the 15th of every year, okay? Once you do your Secretary of State, the next step we have is the EIN number on the IRS site, which is free. All right, step number 5 is the EIN number from the IRS site. Go to irs.gov up at the top, irs.gov. You'll be on this site right here. Once you do this, go ahead and type in apply for EIN. Apply for EIN number. Or apply for EIN. Once you click on apply for EIN number right here at the top where it says apply for the employer identification number, go ahead and hit that button right there. All right, and you want to hit apply online now. For those that do not know what an EIN number is, it's like a social, but it's for your business. It's like a social security number for your business, but they call it an EIN number, okay? What you're going to do is go down here and click begin application. Remember, everything that we put on the other application on Secretary of State, we want to make sure we put it and match whatever we put on that website. We want to make sure we match it on the EIN number, okay? With your EIN number. We know we chose LLC, so go ahead and click LLC. Then hit continue. It's telling you what is an LLC. For those that want to know, go ahead and read all that, okay? Hit continue. Once you hit continue, you're going to see how many members in your business. If it's just you, just put 1. We're going to say 2. And then we're going to say what state are we operating in. We're going to say Georgia, and we're going to hit continue. All right, because we have more than one member, it's called a multi-member LLC. If you had just one employee, it would be a single member LLC, okay? Go ahead and hit continue. And then you're going to go ahead and hit start a new business, okay? All right, once you click start a new business, Go ahead and put your information. I'm gonna go ahead and put my real information, so I'm gonna block it out. I'm gonna block this out so y'all won't see. Go ahead and put your name, your first name, your last name, and your social, because it must match the database for the IRS. Okay, so your name must match your social. Go ahead and click on one of the owners or member of this business. Okay, hit continue. Once you hit continue, go ahead and put the address that you put on that website. Again, I'm going to block this out so you all won't see it, but go ahead and put the information that you put on that website. The only reason why I'm putting everything legit, because I know the IRS database has to match that information. All right. In this section right here, please do not use a P.O. box. But if you need a P.O. box and you wanted to mail it somewhere else, go ahead and hit yes and put your do you have a different address different than above? Go ahead and hit yes, okay, if you want to use another address for your mailing address, okay? All right, once you click next and you click on this page, go ahead and put your business name, whatever you put on the Secretary of State. So make sure you put your business name. And then just do LLC, your business name, and then LLC. Okay, once you click that, go ahead and put Georgia, where your article was done, which is whatever state you're in, and your start date, which is, we did it today, July 2020. Hit continue. Once you hit continue, go ahead and answer these questions. Does your business own a highway motor vehicle with taxable growth? No. Does are you involved in gambling? No. Does your business need to file a 720? No. Does your business sell alcohol? No. And do you have or do you expect to have any employees who require a W-2? No. All right. Go ahead and hit continue. Once you hit continue, and I'm going to stop in a few seconds because it's going to give me an EIN number. Once you hit continue, choose the type of business you have again. If you don't see what you picked in Secretary of State, just make sure you pick the closest thing that was on Secretary of State on this site, okay? If you don't see it, just choose other, okay? And then hit continue. And once you hit continue, please choose the following that's right, because we chose other. We're going to just say services. And then when you hit continue, what is your primary service you provide? We're going to say marketing. That's on. If you pick the right thing, you won't have to put all this on there, okay? If you pick the right thing, go ahead and hit continue. And once you hit continue, how would you like your EIN number? Receive a letter or receive it by mail, and that's how you get your EIN number. We're not going to go any further, okay, y'all? All right, once you finish your EIN number, you can get a business account. You can set up your business account with the business checking account. The only one I'm saying is Bank of America. I'm not actually recommending anyone. I'm just trying to show you the process. You can choose whatever bank you want to choose, but just go into your Bank of America or whatever site you're in. Look at what they have and what they offer, and go ahead and set up you a business account, okay? A business bank account. And put the business bank account as in the same information that you put on your Secretary of State, same information that you put on your IRS EIN number, okay? Same information, your business address, telephone number, all that needs to be the same when you sign up for your business bank account, okay? Step number 7 is to go and get a Dun and Bradstreet number. Step number 7 is to get a Dun and Bradstreet number. Let me say this, you guys. You don't have to do this immediately, and you don't have to do it all in one day. You can get a Dun and Bradstreet number, and you can get it for free, even though they're going to try to say, hey, you have to pay this amount of money. No, you do not. Dun and Bradstreet is a number they use to report your business credit to your business experience report. So if you're trying to get business credit cards or business if you're trying to get business credit card, you need a Dun and Bradstreet number, because that Dun and Bradstreet number is reported on your Experian, and they go by a paydex score. A paydex score is similar to your social, okay? So if your paydex score is good, they will give you a business credit card. I will go through that process later, but for now, go to dnb.com, Dun and Bradstreet, get a Dun's number. And once you get a Dun's number, I'm not going to go through all the steps on this one. Go ahead and select the primary reason. You know, you have a business, put all your information in and go through that process. I'm not going to go through the process of rather getting a Dun and Bradstreet number, a DNB number, or a Dun's number, they call it. If you want the DUNS number, follow these steps. You don't have to get this one at all. But if you want to try to get business credit, I recommend you getting a DUNS number. All right, y'all. Step number 8 is go grind, go grind, go grind. If you need a website built, go to Easy Silent Hustle. We build websites for the lows. If you want a 5-page website, it's $300. 7-page website is $500. Up to 10-page website is $800. This is for a limited time. Also, if you need your website hosted online, hosting is giving you permission to have your website online. You can do this through GoDaddy. You can do this through Bluehost. You can do this through Easy Silent Hustle. We can host your website for you, all right? If you want to do Bluehost, click down in the link below, and it'll show you another package deal on how to set it up through Bluehost. All right, y'all. And we out. Easy Silent Hustle, 8 steps to setting up your business legally. And we out of here. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy.